Welcome friends to my channel AB Infotech. Today I will describe with you a specific problem of Tally Prime. The problem is unable to export data to Microsoft Excel. Before I show you the solution, I am requesting everyone to subscribe my channel because when you subscribe me, it motivates me to creating this type of content. So let's start. Actually, the problem is occurred because Microsoft Excel prevent Tally Prime to export the data. There is an option in Microsoft Excel which is trusted center. We have to modify trusted center to resolve the problem. To resolve the problem, we have to know where Tally Prime, where means which folder or folder path Tally Prime want to export the data to Microsoft Excel. So we first open the Tally Prime. To know the location of the folder, click export, then click configuration. Here under general tab, you can see the location path of the Tally Prime. Location path is in my laptop, for example, C/program files /Tally Prime 2. That means C means C drive, C means C drives, /program means under program files, then /Tally Prime 2 means under Tally Prime 2 folder. Here is the location. Look, C program /program files /Tally Prime 2 means C drive, program files and Tally Prime 2. Here Tally Prime want to export the data to Microsoft Excel. And now copy the location path and now open Microsoft Excel and go to the file option and click the option. You will find there is option of Trust Center. Click Trust Center. Click Trust Center settings. Click Trust Center location in left side and click add new location and paste the location of where Tally Prime want to export his data and click the subfolder of the location are also trusted and click OK and click OK and click OK. You can also select the browse option in the trusted location to adding the folder path, like click browse, select C drive, select program files and select Tally Prime 2 and click subfolder and OK and OK. After you doing that, Tally Prime can export his data to Microsoft Excel in the selected specific location. Thank you. So friend, this is a perfect solution to resolve the unable to export Tally Prime to Microsoft Excel. So please subscribe my channel and I'm requesting you please like my video. Thank you. See you again.